So what are the different tiers of membership inside Wealthy Affiliate? Or in other words, what are their pricing subscription options available? So if you click on pricing, you can use the link in the description to follow along. Then they've got a completely free plan that's called a starter. And so they've got free AI word credits. You can start a practice website. You get some you get some help and support. And they do have some training classes for you as well. Now, if you decide that you're really serious about this and you want to start your niche blog and you want to actually start making money with it and take it to the next level where they have more tools and more support, then they've got the premium plan next. And so you can choose to either bill monthly or yearly. If you bill monthly, it's 49 bucks a month. And then for premium plus, which is their most popular, that's 99 bucks a month. And that's for when you want more domains, you want daily expert classes, you want 10 profit ready websites instead of 3, and you want more tools and just support in general. So if you decide to bill yearly, then these two plans are definitely quite a bit cheaper. But these are the 3 plans that they currently have as of the time that I'm recording this video. So if you have any questions about this, just let me know in the comments. And if you want to try it out completely for free, you can use the link in the description. There's no credit card required.